Dissociative Identity Disorder (DID), previously known as multiple personality disorder, is a complex mental health condition characterized by the presence of two or more distinct identities or personality states within an individual. These identities can control the person's behavior and thoughts at different times and may have distinct memories, preferences, and mannerisms. The primary characteristic of DID is the presence of dissociation, which refers to a disruption or disconnection in the normal integration of consciousness, memory, identity, and perception. Dissociation can manifest in various ways, including amnesia, depersonalization, feeling detached from oneself, and derealization, feeling disconnected from the external world. The development of DID is often linked to a history of severe and prolonged trauma, particularly during childhood, such as physical, sexual, or emotional abuse. The disorder is considered a coping mechanism or defense mechanism in response to overwhelming or traumatic experiences. The diagnosis of DID can be challenging due to the complexity of symptoms and the potential for co-occurring conditions like depression, anxiety disorders, or substance abuse. Mental health professionals typically rely on clinical interviews, psychological assessments, and observation of symptoms to make an accurate diagnosis. Treatment for DID usually involves long-term psychotherapy, specifically specialized forms of therapy such as trauma-focused cognitive behavioral therapy (TFCBT) or eye movement desensitization and reprocessing (EMDR). The goal of therapy is to develop coping skills, improve communication and cooperation among identities, process traumatic memories, and integrate the different identities into a cohesive sense of self. It's important to note that media portrayals of DID can be sensationalized and inaccurate. The actual experiences of individuals with DID can vary widely, and each person's journey with the disorder is unique. If you or someone you know is struggling with dissociative symptoms or suspects they may have DID, it is crucial to seek professional help from a qualified mental health provider.